Today, I'm installing the Mid-City Engineering auto start and alarm system with GPS tracker, drone, and a shock sensor. And yeah, update when I'm done. So now I have everything plugged up to the PCM and whatever other module that is over there. So your PCM here, it's usually mounted back there like this. So one of the harnesses from the Mid-City piece is gonna go into here. You unplug the factory one from here, you plug the Mid-City plug into there. You plug the factory plug into the Mid-City right here. See, regular T-harness stuff. You unplug that blue one up there, you plug it into this blue piece here, you plug the Mid-City Engineering plug back into there. Pretty simple. It tells you where the shock sensor plugs into, where the drone plugs into, where the LED light plugs into. Now when we're about to program the key. So just install the hood sense, the hood shock, whatever. Hood sensor, hood pin. Ran it in there. Everything is pretty straightforward. When you order the kit, you'll know what this is and you'll know what to do with this. Hold on, baby. I don't think that I'm gonna put any holes anywhere to install this LED. I don't know. I like it to look factory original. It doesn't need any holes. That's like mad 90s. I don't know why they did this. They could have like figured some other way. They did it, everything else. This is kind of like bullshit to me. But now I'm gonna zip tie everything up and mount everything. Mounted the shock sensor there. I mounted the tracker up there. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple install. I would have to close the hood, but when I'm done, I'll show how it auto starts.